Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help folks just like you start their own businesses on Amazon right here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members now with sales of over $50 million selling right around the world. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. This video, a little bit different. We've been taken over by girl power. I've asked some of my AOE members, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs members, if they will look after things, because I've actually been to the dentist to get a tooth taken out, which hurt. So girl power this week, so let's get into it. In this video, we have the wonderful Kate Ingham from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs talking about the significant money-making dates for this year from right now up until the end of 2021.
So, calendar of events to note. Now, one of the things with my business is that we work in both Australia and the US and also Canada. One of the things that we do each year is we look at the full year calendar and get a real sense of whether there's opportunities for marketing, looking at our marketing budget and looking at our marketing plan and looking at it spread over the year. And then you can reverse it to Australia. So I'm just going to focus on the USA today, but I'd like you to do this if you're operating in Australia, to do a similar process for your Australian marketplace, because there's run-in times to get to those events. So for Mother's Day, we start our campaign about 3 weeks before a Mother's Day event. And there's times in terms of getting approvals before every campaign. And there's obviously the creative time needed to get your videos together, to get your copy together, to get the whole thing set up. So it's worth just looking at your year and starting to stage when you're going to turn stuff on, when you're going to turn it off. You don't want to waste money marketing when really the market's not going to be listening for your product. So have a look at what some of those days, how you can be marketing and preparing for those days. Also have a look at some of the days that are holiday events. People tend to go online and buy. So you often find that people are more active during holiday events because they've got time, they're hanging around and they're having time with their family, but they're also hopping online. So it is actually a really good time to do some marketing or to increase your budget for PPC, those kinds of considerations. So Memorial Day is a classic day like that, where people, they're sitting around, they have a meal, they have something to drink, and they go shopping. Pride Month, completely, some products obviously wouldn't work, but some would, and maybe there's some products that you can position for something like Pride Month. You've got your Father's Day in America, which is a different date to the Australian Father's Day, which is in September. So don't get caught out on that. If you've got a product that is suitable for fathers, make sure you've positioned it for the 20th of June as opposed to early September for Australia. You've got 4th of July, again, another big family day. A good shopping day, and it's also the beginnings of when the US starts to head off to school vacations, summer school camps. The US colleges are breaking up, so there's summer product opportunities in that, and prepping for camp opportunities. If you've got a particular range, you know, backpacks or makeup kits or those kinds of products, you can target them for that kind of event. Now, one thing this year that we do need to consider is that the Olympics, they tend to take about 2 weeks, and people tend to get quite you know, obsessed with the television. How does that impact buying habits? I'm not sure, but it's worth being aware of and monitoring that. Coming along to October, you've got your Halloween, and then in November, you've got Singles Day, which is a commercial holiday originally set up by Alibaba that helps single people show their pride in being single. So best friend products, products for individuals to feel good about themselves, those kinds of products, perfect for targeting for Singles Day. Excuse me. Thanksgiving is the 25th of November. And that's really the beginnings of the run towards Christmas. So you've got to have yourself organised and really start to build momentum into your business to get the Christmas run.
Thanks for watching that video of girl power in the Aussie online entrepreneurs. Did you know in the Aussie online entrepreneurs, the ladies outperform guys when it comes to making money on Amazon? Well, it's true. If you'd like to find out more about the Aussie online entrepreneurs, and if you could like to join into our battle of the sexes, just kidding, we don't really have that happening, then you can go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, find out more about joining over 2,000 folks right here in Australia's with sales of over $50 million on Amazon right around the world. www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks for watching. Bye.